this in Gentil here. This is one of the smallest rooms I've ever worked with. No space, no luxury. And honestly, it looked boring. But hidden inside this wall is an entire luxury bedroom. And by the end of this video, this room won't even look real anymore. So here's the idea. I wanted to build a hidden bed that completely transforms the room, but not one of those ugly folding beds. I wanted this to feel minimal, luxury, and honestly, like something from a millionaire apartment. The hardest part was hiding everything, because when the bed closes, I didn't want anyone to even know it existed. This entire wall is secretly going to become a bed. And yes, that sounds ridiculous, but before anything else, the mechanism had to be perfect. Because if this fails, the whole project fails. And honestly, this build got stressful fast. Okay, that's not good. But after hours of adjustments, it finally started working. That is satisfying. But the room still felt plain, so next, I added walnut wall panels, floating shelves, and hidden LED lighting. Okay, that looks expensive. That honestly feels unreal. But there was still one problem. The bed movement still didn't feel smooth enough, so I rebuilt part of the support system to make the transformation effortless. No way, that's insanely clean. And trust me, the final reveal changes everything. This is my favorite part of every build, when everything finally comes together. And remember, this used to be a plain wall, and now it transforms into an entire luxury setup that never gets old. One thing I realized building this is that smart furniture is the future, because this room now feels twice as big. And honestly, I kind of want hidden furniture everywhere now. So now I need your honest opinion. Would you actually want this in your room, or is this completely over the top? And if this video gets enough support, I'll build an even crazier transforming room next.